Nakajouta one thing, there's certain players, ne. What? Bakadala go Orlando Pirates, never watch go. Msendani, Dion, but right, go to Tapunte, but what Alan Cotton. Pirates is the big team. You understand? More, what Alam, any pressure, it's Upaya, I'm going to Pirates. What would I coach? You understand?
I want to also bring you into this conversation. Is it a matter of pressure of Orlando Pirates, or it's just that this position is clearly not for him?
Who?
Andre de Jong.
No, I think ucoach akakwazi kumsebenzisa. Andre de Jong akusiyo number 9. He's playing a false number 10, same as Mufukeng. Akasisi striker. He's playing as a false number 10, but ucoach wethu akakwazi kumsebenzisa at all. At all. He can't use him. He can't, Mos.
So today, where would you have rather preferred Andre de Jong starting on Orlando Pirates starting lineup?
Yeah, he was supposed to start, by the way, as a number 10. Yeah. As a number 10, Tito Maswanganye adlale number 8. Simple. I
just want to also bring in the conversation, Yama substitution, Lawa Wayenzile coach. There was a time whereby Wakipa Mbukeng Makaula. Wakipa Makaula, Wafaga Umariko. What do you think of that substitution? Because you also have Willem Tajela who cannot mark, but then Ukipa Umakaula.
Someone who's marking. Amasabska coach wonka baga better. From Makaula, even Andre de Jong, Tito Maswanganye, all of them. Amasabs wake bega poor today. He was very, very poor on Amasabs. More especially Uqina Umuremi for 107 minutes for what? 107 minutes. He's keeping Muremi for what? He was underperforming. The guy was nowhere to be found. But William Uqina for 107 minutes. This lose Era coach he loses today.
So he might. What should he take into?
Wait, Baba. No.
Ban.
Wait, Baba. No.
So taking into account of whatever we have pinpointed what the coach might have done this week. Next week is Begane game with Nzima kakhulu. What should the coach do in terms of his substitutions, in terms of keeping players who they're not giving anything to the team until the dying minutes of the game? Then Kana afunwa substitute.
It's not going to be a difficult game, but because of coach wethu, image izobuya ngathi inzima because sidlala neChiefs ayifele. But just because of we don't have a coach, we need to be realistic here. We do not have a coach. This coach ubenenhlanhla from season iqala kuze kube manje because he's got a good players. But at the end of the day, he's got nothing here. With all respect I have for him, we don't have a coach. We do not have a coach. So for me, he must start the match with Van Rooyen right back, Undaba left back, not to Hoto. Not Hoto because Hoto always uthes overlap ashi space here. Then abadlala abafana nabo Mufukeng sebezithola sebamaka about 2 from the opponent. You understand? So coach wethu sometimes ama decision wakaya better.
Athi ngikuvale lapho ngiyabonga ke sesizobona ke ukuthi next week sizoqopha kanjani umlando. Thank you so much.